Normally we are doing hazardous waste management, but we've had to switch our processes over to help the university, and right now they need a hand sanitizer because it's very difficult to buy from manufacturers because the emphasis has been on healthcare facilities. And so we are trying to make hand sanitizer for our essential personnel at the university. We worked with our Attorney General's office to get an approved product following an FDA and a World Health Organization recipe using ethanol, glycerol, 3% hydrogen peroxide, and distilled water. We measure it, mix it, and then we put it into containers that we actually distribute to the essential personnel on campus. I think it's a valuable service right now. We're really putting a lot of people for the potential of exposure, and sometimes it's just the little things that can help them feel more secure and safer, and that the rest of the university is trying to help them out as much as possible. So it's something that we are able to do with our facilities that we have and the resources that we have. So far, I think we've distributed about 30 gallons. We have the capability to do quite a bit more than that, and that's about 100 to 150 containers that we have out on campus right now. We are really having a shortage of containers right now, so if people are interested and they're working on WSU's campus, please save the containers and provide them back to us, and we'll disinfect them, fill them with our hand sanitizer, and give them back to you so you can work safely in your work environment.